Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your good health. I'm going to tell you how we can make these flowers. These are very easy and you can easily make at home. For this purpose, you need a computer paper. You can choose any color of computer paper. Okay. You need a scissor and a gum stick or UHU or hot glue gun, whatever you want. Okay. First of all, we have to uh, cut this computer paper. We have to fold from the half like this way. We have to fold this paper in vertical manner, and then we have to divide this paper in 3 equal portions, just like this. Then we will cut these squares. We have 6 squares, 6 small squares after cutting this paper. Okay, after cutting this paper, we have this this size of squares. We have to fold this like this and like this. After folding like this, we will draw a petal shape on it. This shape will be drawn and then we will cut the paper. After cutting this paper, we have this shape, and when we open it, we have a small flower like this. Okay, we have to cut this edges. We need four of these type. Okay, after having these 4 types, we have 4. Okay, 4 flowers. Okay, we turn these petals in this way. You can fold, you can turn these petal like this, so it will give the realistic shape to our flower. All of petals should be shaped like this. Okay, after folding these flowers, we have this shape, and now we take one and we will paste this flower in this manner. We have to make the very inner this portion like pasting this like this. Okay, we glued it. Apply some glue and just paste it. After pasting, we have the very inner portion of the flower. Okay, after pasting, we have very inner portion like this. Now we take the other one and we will paste it like this manner. We have to glue from here. Okay, before folding, just turn the petals inward a little bit, just like this. Just turn the petals inward a little bit, and then paste some glue here and paste the other petal on it. In the same manner, we will paste the second petal. This glue takes some time to paste, to stick. Just paste all these petals like in this manner. Okay, after pasting the second one shape, the second one flower shape is like this. Now we can paste now third one. We have to glue one side of every petal and then paste the other one on it. You have to turn the petals inward first and then glue. Just paste the petals in this manner. Okay, after pasting all these petals, we have these shapes. We just take the inner one and just paste some glue at the bottom and place it inside the second one. Then we take the second one and paste some glue at the bottom and place it inside the third one. Just like this, we have put some glue on the fourth one and paste these all like this. Our flower is done. It's very easy to make, and it's enjoyable for your kids also. You can make this flower with your kids, and I hope you enjoy the video and you just follow my steps and make this flower. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz.